ASUS AX86U Gaming Router Setup. Step 1. Unbox power on, connect the router to power and turn it on. Step 2. Connect to modem, use an Ethernet cable to link the router's WAN port to your modem. Step 3. Wait for LED indicators, ensure the power and internet lights are stable. Step 4. Connect to router, join the default Wi-Fi, SSID on router label, or use a LAN cable. Step 5. Access setup page, open a browser and go to 192.168.50.1 or router.asus.com. Step 6. Login with default credentials, use the default admin username and password. Step 7. Run Quick Setup Wizard, configure internet settings and create a new Wi-Fi name password. Step 8. Enable gaming features, optional, adjust QoS, game boost, or port forwarding for gaming. Step 9. Update firmware, check for updates under administration, firmware upgrade for security. Step 10. Save, restart, apply settings, reboot the router, and test the internet connection.